corner. All right, so now as you can see, I'm in, okay, I'm in my, you can see my screen somewhere over here or somewhere over here. Besides, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and open up, there will be a template down below descriptions. So you guys can go ahead and click on it. The template will never go away, by the way. All right. This will be the template, by the way. So you're gonna have to click on, it and open it. And I'm gonna show you guys how to, how to import it, and what do I mean by importing it. Okay, almost everything in there is simple. You just need to follow along with it. Okay, so now we're here. Okay, so now we're here. As you see, this the template right here. This the template. Now we're gonna wanna have got, and let me go ahead and clear up my camera. Turn on my camera on. As you see at the moment, we have Ego, August. Okay, I'll call him Ego, but you get the point. So now we're gonna wanna go ahead and import our material. Okay, as you see here on the downside here, you're gonna wanna go ahead and go to any app. I usually do Photopea. Okay, to get the PNG of basically of literally anything. So what you want to do over here, you're gonna want to go ahead and search almost anybody, Drake, PNG, transparent. Okay, cause you see we have Drake. Okay, if you don't want to do Drake, you can just do different person. So now you're gonna want to go ahead and choose, almost any person. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, you gonna take it here. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. This is PNG. Save as it is. Okay, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go ahead and open a Photopea, and we're gonna just drop him in here. All right, now we have them. As you see, now we have him. It's PNG. Now what you want to do, you just want to go ahead and disable the background right here. Just follow along with my mouse. Disable, and we're gonna have Drake himself right here. Okay, you want to come to the file here and click export has PNG, and save it from there. And from here, just click save. And as you can see, your project should be down here. Now I just want to go ahead and click and open it. See if the right item. As you can see, here is. As you guys can tell, I already have who's this, Addison Rae. But I can go ahead and show you guys how to import it too. So you're gonna want to come here where it says material. Okay, click here. Go okay, so click the second unit where it says you're gonna want to click the texture and click units, change texture. So you're gonna click here and then come right here and where it says texture. Okay, click here and oh yeah, we have an import. Who's that, Drake? That's the easy way to do it here. You're gonna come here. You're gonna take Drake and you're just gonna drop him in here. There. You're gonna click here. Texture. Units, and then you're gonna come right here. What says texture? Oh, excuse me. You're gonna come right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and select Drake, and boom. As you see, here it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording, and I'll show you guys how it look exactly in TikTok. Okay. As you can see, it should be popping up like that. Beside that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it look like in the TikTok app. Yeah, let's go ahead and see it. As you guys can see my screen, we're gonna want to go ahead and open up TikTok. You could bet. Click here, click on the side, my QR code. Click here, and we're gonna have to scan it here. Just click here where it says preview, scan it, and boom. So as soon as you scan it, it should pop out like this. But if you start recording, watch this. It's gonna pop up. So yeah. Basically, that's it for the video. I hope this video helped. By the way, if you guys have any future comments, videos you guys want to see, you know, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll always get back with you guys. And this, yeah, it's gonna